Hello guys, what's up? My name is Donna and welcome to the BLK Forever channel. Today, I am going to show you a video tutorial on how you can link your YouTube channel to Google Adsense so you can have your YouTube videos monetized. First and foremost, please let me thank Eric Daniel for being so supportive of my channel. Alright, well, it's a brand new day and I got a brand new video for you guys, so please hit like and share it with your friends, and also hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. Okay, now let me give you a short description of what Google AdSense is. Google AdSense is part of Google that puts commercial and ads to our YouTube videos. The more that the viewers get to watch those ads through our videos, the more money we will get from Google AdSense. In short, Google AdSense is the one who pays us for the number of views that their ads get. So, if you are someone who thinks about starting a YouTube channel and get paid on every video that you upload in YouTube, then this video is perfect for you. Because this video will teach you every step that you need to take for you to earn money in YouTube. Now, if you are ready, then let's get it started. Alright, hi guys, now we are on my screen. Okay, first, open your browser. As for me, I have Google Chrome, so this is what I will use. Actually, you can try to use whatever browser you might have, but if you are an Android user, I recommend using Google Chrome because other browsers doesn't have the option to go to the desktop view, and that is what we need. Alright, so I'm opening my browser right now. Once your browser is opened, tap on the address bar and type youtube.com. Okay. Alright, let's wait 48 years for this to load. But yeah, let's wait 48 years. Okay, there you go. Now, like what I've said earlier, what we will need is to be on the desktop view. Now, how do we do that? On the top right hand side, you will see that on my screen there is a red arrow or a white arrow on a red circle. Tap on that. Actually, for other users or for most users, what they have is this one. Yeah, now it showed up. The 3 dots aligned vertically. Just tap on that if that is what you have. Actually, as for me, I had the white arrow on the red background earlier. That's only because I have not yet updated my Google Chrome browser. But yeah, that's it. Now, scroll down a bit. Once you see the desktop site option, click or tap on the checkbox. There you go. Now that is how we go to the desktop view. Okay, so next, below the 3 dots that I told you about earlier, that is where your avatar is, or your profile. So click on your profile. I will be zooming it for you. There you go. Okay, so I have my profile here. It shows as... Oh, by the way, this is a sample account. This is not a real account. This is just for demo. So, there you go. Okay, now you will see your channel, paid memberships, creator studio, switch account and sign out. What we have to click on is creator studio. Actually, for some users, this Creator Studio option does not show up. That is because what they have is the new YouTube Studio Beta. So that's the newer version of the studio. But if you don't have this Creator Studio option on your screen, let me know in the comments below. And actually, I will make a video on how you can get this Creator Studio on your screen. I will show you a link on the description on this video, okay? Alright, so click Creator Studio now. There you go. Now that we've clicked that, go to Channel. That can be found on the left hand side. I will be zooming it a little for you. Okay, Channel. Alright, now we will see several boxes here. That means you are on the right page. By the way, before I continue, we have to make sure that your account is verified. So as you can see, on the upper part, it shows my channel's name, which is sample account, because it's actually a sample account. And below that is a verify icon. Yeah. Alright, that means it's already verified. So we have to make sure that your account is already verified. Now let's proceed. For us to be monetized, we have to enable monetization on the second box. It shows monetization, become a partner through monetization by displaying ads on your videos. So, yeah, we will earn through the ads that shows on our videos. Now, it shows that I am eligible and I just have to click enable. I'll be clicking enable now. Alright. Okay, let me zoom it a little for you. Okay. Monetization. Account status, monetization not enabled because I have not yet enrolled, right? Okay, so you can apply for monetization at any time. To be reviewed, all channels need at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. So there are 4 steps for you to be able to successfully enroll and be approved for your application for monetization. So step 1, read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. So just click start. I'll be zooming it out. Okay. Step 1, join the YouTube Partner Program. So there are terms. All you have to do is just check on the boxes. I have read and agree to the terms above. I agree that I will not click on the Google ads that I'm serving through Google's products and services in order to fraudulently increase income. I will not opt in any content for monetization for which I do not possess sufficient rights. You can choose email me with updates or not, so that's fine. Okay, click I accept. Okay, let's wait 48 years. There you go, it's done. I'm zooming out. Okay, step number 2. So if you can see, step number 1 is already checked. Step number 2, sign up for AdSense. Click start. Now this is the part where we are enrolling to Google AdSense. Okay, you will be redirected to AdSense to link your existing AdSense account or create a new one if you didn't have one yet. Once you have completed this process, you will be redirected back to YouTube. So just click next. And let's wait 48 years. Okay. Now, you will see that there are multiple accounts on my YouTube or Google. Just choose your account. I'll be choosing the account that I created for this sample or for this demo. Okay. It to load AdSense. Now we are on Google AdSense. Sign up.
page. Okay, so you will see your account, and then your website. You don't have to do anything on this part because it's already populated or pre-populated. Get more out of AdSense. You just click yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. Now this part is crucial. You have to choose the country that you are in because this is where they are going to send your salary. Okay, so as for me, I am from Philippines, so let me search for Philippines. Okay, now if you have enough time, read the terms and conditions if you want to. If not, then it's up to you. Okay, now I'm done pretending reading. Click yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Create account. Oh, there we go. There you go. Now, just click get started. Okay, now this is the most crucial part, really. Make sure that everything that you put in this or on this page is correct. They are going to verify it, and this is where they will send your salary. Okay, so account type, you can choose either individual or business, but let's choose individual, and then put your real name here. Put your real address, real physical address, or whatever, real address, and then click submit. Okay, let's wait for Google AdSense. There you go, it's already there. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so verify your phone number. You really have to put your phone number. So let me put mine. Okay, so enter verification code. They have sent me a text message. 463468. Okay, and submit. So let's wait for it to load. Redirecting you to your host. There we go. So as you can see now, Google or AdSense requested set monetization preferences. So click start, and then make sure that there's a check here, monetize all existing and future videos, and then make sure that all of the boxes have check marks. Overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, and then click save. There you go. We're almost done. The number 4 step is actually where you will do your work. You will only be reviewed, or you will only get reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. So that's actually it. That is how you enroll to Google AdSense so that you will have your YouTube channel or YouTube video uploads paid or monetized.
Thank you very much for watching that video tutorial up until the very end. I hope that you learned something from this video and you share it with your friends. There you have it. And yeah, I know that I told you earlier on the video tutorial that I will create a special video for you guys who cannot see the Creator Studio icon upon clicking your avatar or your profile picture. So I will make that video tutorial today as well, and make sure that I will link that on the description below. So please do check it, especially if you are one of those that cannot see that Creator Studio icon or option. Well, there you have it. That should be it for today. Once again, thank you for watching and God bless us. And yeah, before I go, I just want to tell this to those who can understand. I do yakap to yakap. If you understand this, let's hug each other, let's help each other, and let's spread love. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye!